Hey there, gorgeous. Are you ready to ditch those bad habits and get on board with some super effective tips for a better facial and physical appearance? I've got some seriously juicy tips for you that are guaranteed to make you look and feel amazing. These are the habits that are keeping you from achieving your aesthetic goals and making you feel less confident in your own skin. But don't just take my word for it, give these tips a try for 30 days and see the amazing change for yourself. First up, smoking. I know it's a tough one, but did you know smoking not only affects your health but also your appearance? Those nasty chemicals in cigarettes can cause premature aging, wrinkles, and even hair loss. And don't forget about teeth discoloration and bad breath. So, ditch that cigarette and let's get to glowing. Next, let's talk about our diet. I know, it's hard to resist those sugary, processed foods, but they can cause weight gain, skin breakouts, and inflammation. That's right, unhealthy foods can cause your skin to produce more oil and increase inflammation, leading to acne breakouts and other skin issues. Let's switch it up and aim for a balanced and healthy diet with lots of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Your skin will thank you. Are you getting enough sleep? Lack of sleep can cause dark circles, puffiness, and dull skin. Your body produces more cortisol when you don't get enough sleep, leading to inflammation and breakdown of collagen. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its elasticity and firmness. So, let's aim for 7 minutes 8 hours of sleep every night for a refreshed and energized look. Water, water, water. Not drinking enough water can cause dehydration, leading to dry, flaky, and dull skin. Your skin needs water to maintain its elasticity and firmness. When you're dehydrated, your skin loses its moisture and it can appear saggy, wrinkled, and aged. Skincare is a must. Neglecting your skin can lead to acne, dullness, and premature aging. We've got to have a skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Don't forget to wear sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Plus, I've linked some of the best skincare products in the description to help you on your journey. And hey, if you're interested in learning more about men's skincare, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I've got some exciting videos coming your way soon. Remember, making small changes to your lifestyle can make a big difference in your appearance and overall health. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos.